Hi, welcome back to Sarah's Cookery Tips. Now today I've been asked to make the all famous old school pudding butterscotch tart. So yes, I'm going to make that for you. I thoroughly enjoyed it at school. I loved it, especially when you got the whippy cream on the top. Oh, it was delicious. So I am using my short crust sweet pastry. I have made a previous video on it, so I'll pop the link above there. It's easy to make, it takes no time at all, and it tastes much better than the shop bought. But if you don't want to do that, you can obviously buy the shop bought flankies. Okay, let's crack on. Okay, so the first thing we've got to do is get the flan base ready. So I'm going to preheat the oven to 200 degrees and give it a nice hot oven to blind bake it. Okay, so on a floured surface, we're just going to roll out the pastry. No thicker than 5mm, which is about that much. Turning it. Okay, that should be good enough. So then, we pop it in the flan dish. Gently push it down. Take off the edges. Okay, and then just want to pierce the bottom of the base with your fork. Stop it from sticking and burning. And then just put a bit of grease-proof paper on, baking sheet paper down, and then pop it some beans on, baking beans. Dried peas is just as good. Okay, now this is ready to go into the oven to be blind baked for 20 minutes, so I'll just pop them in now. Okay, so now we get on with the topping. So the next step is to mix the milk and the flour in the bowl. We want it quite thick, so we'll do that now, and then we'll be melting the butter and the sugar in the saucepan. Okay, so in goes the flour and the milk. And we're just going to mix this until it becomes quite thick. Very creamy. There, and that's your result. Okay. So now we're going to add the butter and the sugar into the pan, and it's got to get quite hot, so do be careful. Okay, so we're going to get the oven going. We add in the butter. It's quite a lot of butter, but it all goes towards the creaminess of the butterscotch tart. Okay, I'm going to pop the sugar in now. With light brown sugar. Okay, so just got to be careful when mixing this. Careful not to burn yourselves. I'm just going to turn the heat down a little bit to prevent it from burning. Starting now to change to that lovely colour. Now can you see how thickness, the shines coming on the caramel? Just about there, it's bubbling nicely. So we're going to remove this from the heat. It's started to cool now. We're going to add in our flour mixture that we did earlier. I'll just spoon that in. Okay. I'm going to add in our mixture. Okay. Gently mix this in. So it's coming together beautifully now. Lovely. Okay, so we're going to set that aside now, wait for it to cool. The flan should nearly be done now, but I say we just need to wait for that to cool down a little bit before we can pour it onto the flan. Okay, so that's the flan out of the oven. Now I've removed the baking beans. It is ready for the top part of the mixture, but before I do, I'm just going to add a little pinch of salt and a couple of drops of vanilla essence. A little sprinkle of salt and a couple of drops of vanilla essence. Yep, we're good to go. Give it a good mix in. And it's ready to go on top of the flan. And then we're going to put it in the fridge for about 3 hours. If you could possibly leave it for overnight, that would be more ideal. But I say if you make it in the morning, it'll probably be okay for tea time. It's because you just want it to set. Okay, so let's pour the topping on. So we're going to pop that in the fridge now for 3 hours, and with the beauty of TV, I'll see you in just a second. Well, it's been just over 3 hours, so I think it's time to get the tart out the fridge. So here we go, let's have a look. Okay, so I've cut it. Okay, maybe it could have done with a little bit longer in the fridge, but I've got hungry children. So to top it off, I'm just going to use a bit of dairy spray cream, just like they used to do at schools. Are you ready then, Tom?
Yeah, I guess so.
Try it for me. How's that?
Delicious.
Great stuff. Well, thanks for tuning in again for Sarah's Cookery Tips. I think Thomas is going to finish this one off. But for more recipes, please do follow our channel, hit subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you again soon.